Hey Kenny, you ever like drive by a car or a truck that's been sitting underneath a tree for a long time, or maybe on cinder blocks, and it's just, you drive by like, I wonder what that smells like inside.
No, I don't ask myself that.
Well, let me show you what that smells like inside. Take a hit of this here. If you're a viewer here, I hope you can smell this from there. That is the smell of, I'm gonna say, black ice car freshener.
Yeah.
Cigarettes. What else does that smell?
I don't know, but it's terrible.
Isn't that bad?
Oh, it's horrible. Just shut the door. Jeez.
This actually is one of our parts trucks or prototype trucks. We have several of them. We found this, of all places, at a trailer park, sitting on cinder blocks. Well, one wheel is on a cinder block. We use this for prototyping. There is our prototype mirror for the Nemo Delete. I'm going to call it that, Kenny. Does that sound official? The Nemo Delete?
Some people call them sport mirrors.
Oh, I'm going to call them sport mirror. Whatever.
Just like this is not a extended cab, Devin.
Oh, it's a club cab.
Nope, it's a super cab.
Oh, shit.
Super duper swing lock super cab.
Yeah, the internet people are going to be all pissed off.
Don't call it that.
Yeah, anyway. So this is what some people want, swing locks in place of their Nemos. So we're building this upper bracket and kind of prototyping this to do that job. That's what that's all about.
So it's the same hoop.
Same hoop, same lower bracket, just the upper bracket will be a billet piece. It's a little bit different that bolts right on to replace in place of your Nemo mirrors.
So how are they going to figure out where to mount that, like left and right?
Question, Kenny. We are building. Actually, that's what all it's left is. We're building you a template that comes with this kit that works on both sides that you fit up there with the mirror off, and that locates where you drill your 2 holes. That way you don't mess up drilling it in the wrong spot.
Oh, a template.
Template. I don't know, something like that. I barely made high school graduation, so.
Cool Whip.
Yep, and then let's walk around. Okay, that's a good one. Cool Whip. Check out this powertrain. Is that not spicy?
Oh,
you got
man.
all the stuff in
Hey, watch your fingers.
Oh, you're too late. So what we have here is we just got this truck back from paint. We had worked on this truck for quite a while, and then went off to paint and body. It was rough. It was extremely rough. We actually had to source out a different bed for it because that bed that came on this truck was done.
Well, before you go too far, this is not our truck.
No, this is a customer's truck. They came to us months ago. We reworked the suspension, front and rear. We did Carrick's coilover kit in the front, which is really awesome.
It's kind of dark.
Yeah, it's kind of dark in there, dusty. Skies in the rear. Then we reworked the 7.3. It's got a brand new 7.3 in it that creates a ton of go-go transmission. Went through all the other odds and ends.
Tow mirrors.
Yep, they wanted the tow mirrors on it. This truck they're actually going to put in the field and make it work.
They have a welding company, I believe.
Yeah, this is their first truck or something like that.
I feel like it's Southern California.
Yeah, somewhere down there.
Really nice couple that
They
owns
wanted the bed liner to come over it quite a bit. That way they can get over it, not scratch the paint, from what Will was telling me. We're just waiting for Tanner to get the interior in, which he started today, starting to get everything kind of cleaned out. We're just going through the motions there.
Is that a prototype seat?
Yeah, you like that? That is the, go ahead, that's super comfortable. Like, that's for long trips.
I like it.
Yep.
Little box knife in the background, trusty Rusty.
She's a good workhorse.
Thanks, Devin.
You're welcome.